In this video, we'll discuss about text field and how to successfully add them on your app, so keep watching. A text field is basically a horizontal entry of a single line, which can be used to provide different kind of data to your app, which may then be processed later. We're going to add a text field and see some of the common methods that you must know while working with text field. So let's get to the coding screen and start working. So guys, this is the code that I got. So let me run this code and see what could be the output. So this is the output, guys. We have initially a label over here called username. So what I would like to be doing in this video is to simply add a text field right over here. So let's get started and create our first text field. So in order to do that, we need to import QLine edit class. Now I can create an instance for that. So let me have a separate section for text field, and now I can create an instance for QLine edit. So QLine edit parent equals to window. So that's it. All I need to do is to simply move that text field, because I need to position that. So suppose 140. So let's see, guys, if I run this code, what I want to get is a text field. Yup, it's cool, but guys, it's overlapping the label. So what can I do about it? I can simply move that text field to the right a bit, and I would like to change it to 39. So let me run the code, guys. And this is perfect, guys. We have our entry. We can type anything you want inside of this text field. But now here's another question, guys, that how can I resize this text field horizontally? Well, don't worry about it. We got some built-in methods that you can apply. So set fixed width. So this is basically method that you can use to set a fixed width for your text field. So if I run this code, guys, this is perfect. I guess this is cool, guys. So we have our label here, and we have a text field where you can provide your username, suppose John, whatever you got. Now I would like to cover something else, and that is sometimes you have entries where you're supposed to enter only numbers, only integers. So is there any way that you can use in order to restrict this entry to integers only? Yes, here we got some methods that you can use. So how we can do that? We're supposed to import. We have a class here that is called QIntValidator. So once you have that class, you can create an instance for that. So let's create an instance for that. IntValidator, suppose IntValidator is equal to QIntValidator, and that's it. Now you can set that validator to your text field. So set validator, and here you can pass IntValidator. So let's have a run, guys. Now this entry is only supporting integers. See, I'm trying to type alphabets, it's not appearing here, but if I start typing numbers, that's going to appear right in this entry. Even it doesn't support decimal numbers because it's going to support integers, because I've restricted this entry only to integers. So that was all I wanted to show you about text field. But since it is a username, so we're not supposed to restrict that, comment it out. So that's why we're not using that. But here's another question, that how can I have a default text over my text field? Let me show you. We have a method called setPlaceholder text, and now here you can pass a string that says enter your username. So that could work like a guideline for you. So if we run this code, guys, as you can see, we have a transparent text right over here that says enter your name. So it could be a guideline for you. If you want, you can use these placeholder text in different entries. That could come in handy. So the minute you start typing something, that disappears, and if that entry remains empty, then that text, that placeholder text, is gonna be over there. So that's it, guys. That was all about text field. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, if you have any confusion, go to the comment section and ask your questions. I'll be there to answer you. Thanks for watching.